Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your AirTag battery. So let's begin. I'm going to now open up the AirTag. Just press this AirTag and spin the cover. After that, the cover will open up and then you will find the battery over here. Now remove the battery, and then I have a new battery over here, so I'm going to use this battery. Now I'm going to place it in the AirTag, and then I will now insert the lid back on. So just like we opened, I'm going to place the lid over here, and then after it's inside, let's press it and spin the lid, and then it will be stuck in place, and the AirTag battery is now changed. So guys, that's how you can change your AirTag battery. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.